Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're switching Gmail accounts or just want all your messages in one place, today's video is your complete 2025 guide on how to forward all emails from your old Gmail account to your new one. Stick with me until the end because I'll walk you through every step clearly so you never miss an important email again. First, let's set the stage. Gmail allows you to automatically forward every new email from one account to another. This is super helpful if you're moving to a new email address or consolidating accounts. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Access settings. Start by logging into your old Gmail account, the one you want to forward emails from. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then choose See All Settings. Step 2. Configure Forwarding Inside Settings. Head over to the Forwarding and /IMAP tab. Look for the Forwarding section and click on Add a Forwarding Address. Enter your new Gmail address and hit Next. Step 3. Verify the new address. Now, Gmail wants to make sure you actually own that new address. A verification email will be sent to your new Gmail account. Go ahead, open that account, find the email, and click on the confirmation link. That's your green light for forwarding. Step 4. Set forwarding options. Back in your old Gmail settings, go to the same Forwarding and /IMAP tab. You'll now see your new address listed. Choose Forward a copy of incoming mail to, and select your new Gmail. Below that, Gmail lets you decide what happens to the emails in your old inbox after they're forwarded. You can keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, mark it as read, archive it, or delete it. Pick whichever works best for your workflow. Step 5. Save changes. This last step is crucial. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Without this, nothing will stick. From this point on, every new email that lands in your old account will be automatically forwarded straight to your new Gmail address. This setup ensures a smooth transition, prevents missed messages, and gives you full control over how your old inbox is handled. Just remember, verification is essential, and saving changes is the final step that activates everything. And that's it. Simple, clean, and effective. Now you know exactly how to forward all your emails to a new Gmail account in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the description for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.